Are you worried your organization could be the next ransomware headline? There's a smarter way to stay ahead. Let's talk about the free #Stop Ransomware guide from CISA. If you're responsible for protecting your organization's data, you've probably lost sleep over ransomware. The good news, the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, has your back with the newly updated #Stop Ransomware guide. Built by the Joint Ransomware Task Force, this guide is the real deal, comprehensive, clear, and crucially free. It's packed with actionable steps for detecting, preventing, responding to, and recovering from ransomware attacks. From risk assessments to incident response, it's all laid out in straightforward, step-by-step instructions. What sets this guide apart? It's the result of unified federal expertise built under the latest cybersecurity laws, so you're not just getting best practices, you're getting the latest, most authoritative strategies out there. Available in both English and Spanish, this PDF is easy to download and share with your team. Plus, CISA offers a toolkit of related resources, so you're never left guessing what to do next. Bottom line, if you want to reduce your organization's vulnerability and boost your resilience against ransomware, the #Stop Ransomware guide should be your next click. Check out the link in the description to download your copy today and take the next step toward locking down your digital defenses. Stay safe, stay prepared, and #Stop Ransomware.